Many of us turn to them for relief when we get a cold, but buying some over-the-counter cough medicine soon will not be as easy at stores in Kentucky.
A new law takes effect next week that restricts how much of those medicines you can buy. As Sam Smith tells us, supporters of the law hope it will keep people from using cough medicine to get high.
Abusing dextromethorphan is something that has gained a lot of momentum in the last couple of years.
Chris Palutis of CNC Pharmacy and Kentucky lawmakers have taken notice. When House Bill 24 takes effect on Wednesday, minors will not be allowed to buy medicine that contains dextromethorphan. That includes medicines like Robitussin and NyQuil. Those products are easily accessible right now.
It's available at every pharmacy, at every convenience store, so access is virtually unlimited.
The drug is designed as a cough suppressant, but when it's abused, it can affect your mind.
But when taken in large doses, it creates a feeling of euphoria, some hallucinations, vivid imagination.
The new law requires anyone buying medicine with dextromethorphan to show ID, to sign a document saying they're 18 or older, and they can't have more than a gram of dextromethorphan on them.
You know, for us to have to check an ID for someone to purchase it is okay. It's an extra step in the process, but if that extra step creates some safety among the minors, then I think it's a step that's worth taking.
In Lexington, Sam Smith, WKYT.
Under the new law, anyone caught with more than a gram of dextromethorphan could be fined $1,000 for the first offense and $2,500 for following violations.